Hello guys, so today we are going to discuss about the cursor navigation. So cursor navigation means we can select the data through the mouse. Actually, we want to select this data through the mouse. You can drag a selection from wherever you want, right? Without the mouse, we can navigate with with a keyboard. Just I'm entering these all are the random numbers. So this is the month, the columns, and years. So we want to select the row wise. Suppose I want to select the 2004 data up to December. So we use a cursor, select and holding the shift key, we use a right arrow to select one by one. This is the long method. If you want to try a hitting the single hitting the shift and control right arrow. I need 2004 data Jan to December. Just I am holding control shift and hit the right arrow. It will select the entire months. So if you want to select all January data from 2000 to 2020, 2020. So just you can hold the control shift and down arrow key, press down arrow key, it will get selection for the entire January, January data for all the years. Suppose I need to select only the values which are not row header and column header, except row header and column header. I'm putting the cursor over John 2000. So you can hold the control shift and right arrow or down arrow. So I'm using holding the control shift and right arrow and down arrow. Got selected entire values. Suppose I want to select entire table, you can use control A. It will get the entire table selection. So this control A means the current region. So what is the current region? Current region means the cursor put somewhere in the table, the continuous data is there, right? Once you can use control A, it will got select everything in the table. So this is the current region. The last used cell. What is the last used cell? The last used cell means in this worksheet where the data is available in the last row or final row and final column. See, the shortcut for last used cell, control end. So this is the last used cell. Last used cell means this is the last column. This is the last column. This is the last row. So both are intersect here. That's the reason this is the last used cell. So used range means the multiple cells which are. So you go to the press control N and hold control shift home, the the range will be selected. That is the used range. So A27 to U20, U27, A1 to U27. This is the used range. Current region. So just I will explain more than this current region. I'm entering the sample data rand between 1 to 100. I'm pasting the data for these many rows. Suppose I'm selecting here, pressing Control A, it will select only the within the table. This is one current region. This is also current region. This is also one current region. This is also one current region. Suppose I entered any value in between two tables. This will be the current region. Not this time, this only current region, or not this only current region. These two tables continue because of there is a value. So this row, this column contains a current non-continuous, it is a continuous range. That's the reason this entire two tables equals to current region. Suppose you can press Control A and Control A, this will select entire sheet, or you can use selection for entire sheet. Use this row and a column. Above one option is there. You can click here, so it will get select everything. Otherwise, you can put cursor somewhere on the blank area. You can press Control A, it will be select the entire sheet.